Alright, you guys, we made it back to Nate's shop. He got the tow mirrors on. Yes sir, man. Tell me what y'all think. Them jokers clean, boy. That two-tone. Yes sir. And he got the grill on. Yes sir. Remember what I told you guys in the last video? This came flat black, matte black I meant. So he shined it up. Then he painted the rest of it. What you guys think, man? Should look it truly beautiful. Yes sir. Don't forget about the golf cart. Golf cart wet. Yes sir, boy. We getting it in. Yeah, we working. The steering wheel came in for the golf cart too, man. Tell me what y'all think of that steering wheel. Oh yeah, look at that steering wheel. Yes sir. That steering wheel looking truly beautiful. We ain't playing, we getting it in. We working. Y'all see it. We definitely working. She gonna be nice. Then had the feet on there. Kind of back up for you guys so y'all can see. Yes sir. Tell me what y'all think. Golf cart in the truck. Matching. Yes sir. Golf cart and truck coming back to back. But I'm up here today though. Want to get this carpet put in. Y'all seen a couple videos down, man. My wife had put the carpet in the back. It's a piece go here from the third row to the trunk, and then it's a second piece that goes from the middle to the driver and passenger seat. So I'm gonna try to bolt these seats up and put this carpet down. At least getting something done. It started raining on us, man. We was finna paint the bottom. So plan B. That was plan A, I guess. So now we on to plan B. Gonna go ahead and do the carpet. It's raining, so can't do the bottom. So let's get into it. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, I did a quick fast forward. I ain't get to show this whole process, but I got the carpet in, got the seats bolted down, trying to get it done, man. I got the carpet in, just got to play with it, get a couple humps out of there. Still got to screw that one screw on the driver's side and one more screw on the passenger side, but I got her in though. Looking decent. Yes sir. Tell me what you guys think. I vacuumed it out. I don't know if I'm gonna put the armrest in though. Cup holder, middle console, whatever you want to call it. I don't think I'm gonna put it back in, man. I think I like that without it. Came out decent without it. You know what I'm saying? Where I can get back here quicker with the kids. Leaving it out, it's a big space there. I just got to play with it up here some. I don't like that little hump though. It don't let me put the carpet how I want it to be. So what I'm gonna do is keep playing with it, cutting at it until it's more, you know what I'm saying, flatter. I don't like how that look. But she came out decent though. I got all the side pieces back on. Yes sir. She came out decent. Just gotta doing a little small detail, that's all. Doing a couple little small details. I got the seat belts back in. Had to get those put back in. They were about to drive me crazy because I'm like, man, how the hell this went on there? But I figured it out. But there you go, you guys. Got that carpet in. A quick fast forward. Real quick fast forward, but I got her done. I got to vacuum that back seat back there. Back in that back seat. Yes, sir. Came out decent. Came out decent, my boy. Yes, sir. Got it right. I got a little crease right here, but what I'm gonna do is take this back off and pull it, make it straight, make it look more decent. But passenger side came out nice though. She flush, tight, looking good. Driver side decent. Like I said, I just don't like that hump right there. I'm gonna try to get that out. I cleaned out the dashboard, but we got the seats in though. Trying to get her done. I'm gonna do my photo shoot on her tomorrow, man. Just wanted to get this carpet video out the way. And I got to scrub the headliner. Scrub this headliner down. But y'all know I'm gonna change it out. But for right now, I'm gonna just scrub it. Cause I wanna put stars in the roof. But for right now, we're just gonna scrub it. And put the AC vents up there in. Cause you know the Excursion got AC in the front and in the back. Sitting on them 24s, yes sir. Well, we getting it done, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Next video to drop is the photo shoot of the Excursion. Carpet in, over and out. Make sure you guys stay too motivated. Until later on, peace.